Hello everyone, today I want to show you how we can measure drill holes automatically with the new BendingStudio software. In the past it was only possible to measure these with physical adapters, so you need to mount them, which is very time intensive. But with the new version of BendingStudio XT we can measure this automatically. At first we have to import the CAD file to our BendingStudio software. Okay, you see here the step file. And the first step here is to extract the tube geometry. So here we can extract a drill hole just by clicking the circles and create a cylinder for the hole, accept it, and then it is in our database. As a next step, I can create an inspection plan. I will add some criteria for our drill hole. For example, we can extract the distance from the drill hole, maybe to the start of the tube. And then we add this to our inspection plan. And then we can start the measurement. We can take our tube, put it into the system, and start the measurement. And after a few seconds, we have our result. We see here the position of the drill hole and of course the tube geometry.